Daniel Presedo for the Photoshop team, and today we're looking at the assets for the Dungeons & Dragons Terror of Undermountain contest. So let's look at that first image I showed you in the introduction video. It's a simple combination of these assets. I did it to get an idea of what I wanted to do with these assets. So I began sketching prototypes with those things in mind. I pulled them together, I kind of know what I have in the back of my head, and now I'm ready to proceed. Except this is way too nice, completely unusable. But it did allow me to get into that mode again of knowing what was there, and I could work with that. In fact, I proceeded to do other sketches and think to myself, that tentacle, that ferocious head, the arms and legs that I like. And then I went back to drawing a werewolf, which is my safe drawing place. But still, I was exploring, and this was good. And I realized at that point, the tail, the eyes, the head, all these different things I could throw together started to make something unique, even with those simple designs. In fact, as I started working further, I realized these assets are like using a giant jigsaw puzzle, assembling different pieces and finding the right creature. Now, will I keep those and make my own? We'll have to wait and see. I really like this one. I don't know if I'll use it, but I have to decide which one I'm going to make. And if you want to know, I encourage you to check out the next videos and follow along, as I will show you how to puppet warp, transform, distort these elements, make them fit together, and have you make your own unique monster. Now, with Photoshop and these tips, you will have the skills to submit an excellent entry for the Photoshop team in Dungeons & Dragons contest, the Terror of Undermountain. So let's start today. Download those assets and begin work on your entry.